Hello, how are you? Oh, I'm fine too, thank you. It's getting rather cold. Of course, it's winter. But then, how has this new year, 2025, been treating you? I hope you um, had a good start, and I hope it's been well. Of course, there are many people who are suffering all over the world. Also, perhaps some of your friends around you might be suffering, not just because they're sick or unhappy. Maybe their family members are suffering, or some of them might be even dying. Life sometimes is not always bright and happy and nice and smiling and exciting, but also life has many moments which put you down. You feel sad, you feel pressed, and you feel like sometimes there's nothing you can do about it and feel sorry and helpless. They all are parts of life. But most important thing is to live positively. Okay, let's study positively today as well. The first idiom today is another animal thing. Okay, first one is let sleeping dog lie. It means avoid stirring up old problems with trouble. For example, I wanted to confront her, but sometimes it's best to let sleeping dogs lie. It means keep quiet about it. And many people know that the governments are letting sleeping dog lie until everyone forgets their crimes. Isn't that true? Hmm. Next idiom is another dog one. Help a lame dog over style. It means assist someone in difficulty or trouble. I would say yes. Uh, Generally, Americans always help a lame dog over style. They are with generous to offer their support in tough situations, I would say. Have you noticed if you ever visited California? Generally, drivers are polite. Well, I'm talking about the Los Angeles city. One of the largest number of automobiles are running every day. Yet, drivers are very polite and they are nice to walkers or other drivers. I hope those kind of things can be seen more often in Japan. Unfortunately, Japanese drivers, I don't know. Their driving manners seem to be kind of like, I would say, selfish a little bit. Like a me, 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 me. So, since people are natural to walk, right? The first place. So drivers are having a luxurious lifestyle. Therefore, they should be nicer to pedestrians or walkers. Don't you agree? Now, the last idiom for today is bird's eye view. And the birds fly high in the sky. So it means a broad perspective from above. Not only visual views, but perspectives, the ideas or situation that you can think of. For example, the Eiffel Tower and Sacré-Cœur from the top of those places. Okay, let me say that again. From the top of the Eiffel Tower and Sacré-Cœur in Paris, I'm talking about, people have a bird's eye view of the entire city of Paris in France. And you can say the same kind of thing. For example, if you climb up the Tokyo Sky Tree or even Tokyo Tower, you'll have a bird eye view of the city Tokyo. Or if you go up top of the landmark tower of Yokohama City at Minato Mirai 21 site, you can see almost the entire bird, well, view or bird eyes view of the city of Yokohama. Even you can see the Tokyo and Haneda International Airport in Tokyo. But also that's we are talking about visual things. But sometimes you can see, okay, if you read this book, you can have a bird eye view of the entire world or the society or the story. And that's also you can see about it. All right. Now, that's for the idioms. Today's words. Okay. One is, well, vulnerable. It means capable of being injured, open to attack, sensitive to criticism, influences, etc. It means very, very weak, so that you get hurt very easily. For example, without the language understanding, new immigrant or people who move to a certain foreign countries can be very vulnerable, right? So language is very important for everyone. Have you ever heard once Achilles heel? Achilles is just above your backside of your foot. That's Achilles. If somebody kicked that or I don't know, punched on that, oh, it's gonna hurt. You can't walk. So once Achilles heel, it means someone's weak point. Last word for today is signify. It means be a sign of or make known by, well, make known by signs, words, or actions, or have importance. Signified means. For example, oh, signified surprise, that is. Or a gift such as valuable diamonds, sapphire, emerald, or ruby usually signify more than just a casual relationship. Perhaps they're thinking about getting married or engaging. I don't know. Okay. Well, sometimes people remember your birthday and they give you something special. That signifies how important you are for those people who think about you. Also, we should be thinking about others who also live around you And sometimes we are so busy yet take time to tell them, express, or show how much you care for them. And we sometimes gift signifying things, right? Sometimes expensive, but then just a little thing like a flower or a little cute pin or even pen can signifies um, your friendship. Okay, that's about it for today. Take care of yourself. See you next week. Bye.